Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says the kinetic energy of a proton and that of an alpha particle are 4 electron volt and 1 electron volt. The ratio of the de-Broglie wavelength associated with them will be. Okay, तो हमको given है that kinetic energy of proton, let's call it Tp, is equals to 4 electron volt, and kinetic energy of alpha particle, which is T alpha, is equals to 1 electron volt. ओके तो हमको बताना है कि इनकी डी ब्रॉगली वेवलेंथ का रेशियो क्या होगा. सो द की कंसेप्ट हियर इज दैट de Broglie wavelength associated to any object is given by lambda is equals to h over p, where p is the momentum of the object. ओके तो हमारे पास डी ब्रॉगली वेवलेंथ का रिलेशन है. सो हमको वेवलेंथ फाइंड करने के लिए हमको मोमेंटम पता होना चाहिए. ओके एंड वी नो द काइनेटिक एनर्जीज. So we have to use the relation that kinetic energy of any object is equals to p square by 2m, which implies that momentum of any object is equals to root times 2m t, which is kinetic energy. Okay, so now substituting this expression, we have lambda is equals to h over p की जगह हम लिख देंगे रूट 2m t, जहाँ पे t क्या है हमारी kinetic energy. Correct. So now lambda for proton is equals to h times root of 2 into mass of proton times kinetic energy of proton. ठीक है. Similarly, lambda for alpha particle is equals to h over root times square root of 2 into mass of alpha particle into kinetic energy of alpha particle. Correct. अब हमको फाइंड क्या करना है, रेशियो ऑफ डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ. So we can write that lambda proton divided by lambda alpha is equals to h divided by root of 2 into mass of proton times kinetic energy, and क्योंकि ये डिवाइड होगा तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, which means multiply by 2 into mass of alpha particle into kinetic energy of alpha particle divided by h. ओके सो यहाँ से हम h से h कैंसिल कर सकते हैं और रूट 2 से रूट 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, which from which we will get root of mass of alpha particle into kinetic energy of alpha particle divided by mass of proton into kinetic energy of proton. ठीक है. So this is the ratio. Now we know that mass of alpha particle is basically what? Helium nucleus, right? So mass of alpha particle will be what? Mass is equals to 4 atomic mass unit, and mass of proton is 1 atomic mass unit. Okay, therefore mass of alpha particle is 4 times mass of proton. ठीक है. And similarly also हमको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है that kinetic energy of proton is 4 eV, while kinetic energy of alpha particle is 1 eV, which implies that kinetic energy of proton is equals to 4 times kinetic energy of alpha particles. Correct. तो अब अगर हम इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करें पहले वाले एक्सप्रेशन में, so we will get lambda proton divided by lambda alpha particle is equals to root of mass of alpha particles, which is 4 times mass of proton into kinetic energy of alpha particles. ठीक है, so let's call it T alpha divided by mass of proton times kinetic energy of proton, which is 4 times T alpha. करेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि ऊपर और नीचे दोनों जगह सेम एक्सप्रेशन है. so this will be equals to root of 1, which is equals to 1. Therefore lambda p is to lambda alpha, or lambda p is to lambda alpha is equals to 1 is to 1. ठीक है. So this is our final answer. Now we check the options, and it is option B. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.